This is test number 1 for the DC to DC converter from 12 volts to 20 volts. The first battery I'm going to connect is 8.5 volts. That is a little bit lower than the nominal voltage input. And let's see what is happening with the circuit when I do that. Here in the oscilloscope we'll have the blue line will be the input voltage, the yellow one, the yellow one will be the input voltage, the blue one will be the output voltage, the yellow multimeter amperemeter will be the input current, and the red multimeter amperemeter will be the output current. So let's connect the 8.5 volts battery. The voltage input is 8.4, the voltage output is 20, and has an oscillation or peak-to-peak volt of 1.4 volts. The input current is 0.16 and the output current is 0.02 amperes. Now I'm going to use a little bit higher battery. This is 9.2 volts. Let's see what happens. The input voltage is 9.2, the output voltage is 20.2, and the peak-to-peak is 1.4. Input current is 0.20 amperes and output current is 0.02 amperes. The load for this test is 1 kilo ohms. Now I'm going to test with the higher voltage in the battery. This one has about 12 volts. So here we have 14 volts in the input voltage, 20 volts in the output voltage, and 1.4, although it's oscillating a little bit more, the peak-to-peak in the output to about 2 volts. The current in the input is 0.19 volts and the output in the current is 0.02 amperes. I'm sorry, this is the input current is 0.18 amperes. So this makes the first test with a battery input lower than 12 volts. It was from 8.5 volts to about 14 volts, and the output is kept almost constant in 20 volts. The current also was about the same all the time, but the peak-to-peak probably changed from 1.2 volts peak-to-peak to 2 volts peak-to-peak. That's finished the first test of the DC to DC converter from 12 volts to 20 volts.